Hi, I just wanted to talk to you today about how important it is to get your lie angles checked as often as possible. And what I mean by that is, well, first of all, I've got two T150s here. One of them's mine, which sits at 2 degree flat, ½ inch longer. And then I've got the T150, which is same weight, ½ inch longer, but 4 degree upright. So there's 6 degrees in lie angle in between these two. And I'm going to show you how that can affect the ball flight. Okay, but just quickly to explain lie angle to you, I take mine here and I put this little gadget on there. Now there's the club pointing straight at the camera. So that would, let's assume that's 0 lie angle. Now if I start to make the club go a little bit upright, see where that starts to point now, to the left. That's what's going to happen to your ball start direction. If I go this way, up, starts off to the right. Now you don't need to be at 0. You need to be where a fitter would put you to suit the way you deliver the club. Now why it's important, just as an easy scale, if you take 1 degree out of your club, for every 100 yards, that's a 4-yard miss, or round about a 4-yard miss. So you think 200 yards, that's an 8-yard miss, that's you missing the green. So I'm just going to hit a couple of shots and show you how that works and what happens to the ball flight. The other thing is, if you need your lie angle checks, we have all sorts of machinery and stuff in here that are going to check your lie angles and adjust. So, just give us a call if you need to check this, but it's important you go to your local pro or come here and we'll check these for you, because one thing that I see lots of people changing what is a functional swing to try and account for bad lie angles, when if you just change the lie angle, the swing's fine. Okay, so I'm going to hit mine first. This is the one that's 2 degree flat. So again, 2 degree flat, ½ inch longer. Let's see what happens. Okay, see that? Very, very straight, right on target. Everything's working for me. Good distance control. Okay, so now I'm going to go 6 degrees difference. So the club's the same. It's the T150, take this T150. It's now at 4 degree upright, which is 6 degree difference in lie. Okay. Try and put the same swing on it. See how far that's started off to the left? Still got my little bit of draw, which I have, but it started to the left and then started to draw. So that'll just give you a quick indication of, if you don't get your lie angles right, what problems you're going to find on the golf course. So get these checked at your local pro, by your local pro if you've got the machinery, or come and see us and we'll sort all this out for you, and your game will definitely improve. Hope that helps.